What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2007 Suzuki GSXR1000. Guys, this bike is in awesome shape. It's got 2,000 miles on it. It does have some goofy little things here and there. Little nick there, if you can see that. I might be able to get that out with buffing it. It's got these little tiny, like I gotta get this out as well. Get some right there. This thing's got like 2,000 miles on it, I think. Guys, this bike is... it's in really good shape for being an 07, for having 2,000 miles. I wouldn't necessarily call it the cleanest 2,000 mile bike I've ever seen. It's got kind of little, like, there's a speck right there. Just some, see, it's got like a scratch right there. The plastics are a tad bit faded, as you can see, like the difference between the tank and here. It's got like a chip right there, two little chips right there. It's got some of these like little brown speck right there. Then a couple of, you can see, like on the tank, they're real faint. There. Probably if I buffed it really good, they might come out. I don't necessarily know what they are. They kind of like come off with your finger, but they don't necessarily want to come fully off. I'm trying to figure out what the heck it was. This bike's in really good shape though. I mean, I would definitely give it like a 7 out of 10, considering that it only has 2,000 miles, so engine is just like in insanely good shape. Scruff's right there. It's a little faded up top here, if you can see. There's kind of a color shift. Tire tread's pretty good. I don't know if these are the original tires or not. I mean, it's not like cracked or damaged or anything, it's just a little bit faded. Honestly, you might be able to bring it back to life or just put new plastics on it for a couple $100. The thing's got 2,000 miles on it, and so I would definitely give it the benefit of the doubt that, you know, it runs amazing, and that's the main concern here, guys. We're looking at 1,965 miles on it. It will probably change over 2,000, just throwing it out there. Fires up right away, obviously. That rattling is the plate, the screws in the plate. So anybody who's trying to say that it rattles, it does not. Bike sounds and runs great, guys. Like I said, right around 2,000 miles on it. It's got a little bit of fading on the top of the tank, like I said. A little bit on the front. If you can see, there's like a color shift from there to there. On top of the tank, the metal part is obviously not faded, but the plastic part is. Guys, it's a really nice bike. GSXR1000, 2,000 miles on it. If you're a Steelers fan, obviously there's a Steelers logo, so you have to buy it. With a heat gun, you can pull that off in a second. Guys, this is an amazing bike for the miles. Let me know if it's something you're interested in. These bikes do not last long with this kind of miles. It's going to be dirt cheap, guys. Thanks a ton for watching, guys, and let me know if it's something you're interested in.